Hello and welcome to the vlog. I look like a hobo. I haven't shaved, my hair's a mess. I don't sound right. Can you guys hear that? I've been sick. My daughter's been sick, my son, everybody's been sick. It's been crazy at home. I'm still like, I'm not 100%, I'm like 85%. But I'm good. That's partly the reason why I haven't been uploading. I actually did film something just before getting sick, but I haven't had a chance to edit it. Anyway, this is going to be one of those vlogs where I'm moving around, so I don't even know what the title of the video is going to be. But I haven't started the RX-7 in a little while, and we did those changes like 4 videos ago, which was, what did I do? I did boost controller, I put the HKS EBC5 in, and apexy plug leads. We took the old leads out, those ones over there above the turbo. And then I couldn't test it because it was just a little bit too late and my kids were sleeping and blah blah blah. Anyway, yeah, we're going to start it up now. First I'm going to connect the battery. Ooh, this reminds me. 3 boxes, what does that mean? It says SARS Customs on the top. That means some stuff around. There's one. And then this stuff. Excuse the mess. Haven't been in here. Actually, I haven't been in here in over a week. It's dusty, it's bad. I just dropped the stuff in here today. I'm selling all these things, so if you guys want to see the prices, they're all on Instagram. All of this is available. I've taken away what's not. I had some cool Evos, Evo 7s, 2 of them. This is actually pretty cool. This is a Toyota mystery car, Real X. Inside here, it could either be an AE86, a Supra, or a 2000 GT. Right, you get the idea. That's pretty cool, but what's actually in here, because I have opened it, is an AE86. Another one there, another one there. The one that's in there is a lot cooler. These are actually all pullback cars, just by the way. Yep, all of them, pullback cars, except for this fuel truck. If you guys want to buy these, the DVD's up. I had some option DVDs, those are all gone, sold. And then this came in the package too, so I killed 2 birds. This is for, you guessed it, the R33. There's another one on the way. But let's start it up. Are you kidding? Wrong keys. That's a spare key for the black FD, which is on the wrong set. This is actually for the GTR. I'm still sick. I'm picking up wrong keys. I'm going to give away all my trade secrets here, but stay. Yes, it's all messed up, the paint's messed, I need to respray. This is actually from an S14. So funny enough, the S14 side mirror fits in the R33, vice versa. Now, here's the best part, I'm giving away my secrets. These mirrors are super cheap. Okay, especially this one, because this one was broken. This one was like 100 Rand, plus minus. It's got the wiring. I'm hoping the wiring is the same. I'm pretty sure it is. It's missing the actual mirror part. That's not a train smash, and yeah, that's broken. Anyway, this is from the S13. The price difference is insane because of JDM tax. The price difference right now, you're looking at about 8 plus minus 6,000 to 8,000 Rand for a set of these, and about 2.5 to 5 for a single one because of JDM tax. Ridiculous. This was super cheap. You can pick up S14 ones for like 500 Rand plus minus for one. A set about 1,000 to 2,000 Rand. Dirt cheap. Okay, how does this work? This will need, does that go on top? Let's see. Does this go on top of this plastic? Ooh, okay, yes it does. And actually it holds it. Ooh! I got some rust here. I need to try and somehow get out to Midas. Because this is it. I'm empty. There's nothing. Midas Durban North, they sell this. My mate Gary offered to pick up a bottle and drop it off at my post box, and I just pay him EFT, and I was like, nah, don't worry, I'm going to be going there soon. But haven't left the house in a while. Okay, that's it. Let it set for a little while. I got to fast forward here 3 weeks. Haven't filmed, haven't picked up the camera, haven't done anything. I think I did mention this in the video that I haven't edited yet, so I don't actually remember. My daughter's been sick, my son got sick, and he was sick for 2 weeks. We had to go to the Pete twice. We finally put him on antibiotics. They said it was viral initially, then it wasn't viral, then it was bacterial. Antibiotics, haven't been sleeping properly. I've been a wreck. Work's been demanding too. So I'm working on the car now. Prepping now. Okay, for real. We're doing stuff for real now. We're done. It's safe. I can shake it. I can do whatever. It's not falling. Just thinking about things rationally here. If I go work underneath the car, I'm going to take a long time. That means this video is going to be very, very long and probably boring. So here's the plan. Since I haven't been working on the car for so long, I'm going to ease into things, and I'm going to try to get the tail lights out now. So I had some trouble getting these out. I've gotten all the screws out. I've done this before. I've done this on Subarus, all sorts of cars. Well, actually just Subarus, but a lot of them. It's not budging. So I read on some forums, and apparently there's some hectic glue on the back. If it's never been taken out, it's a bitch to take out. One way you can do it is with a hairdryer or a heat gun. I don't have a heat gun, so hairdryer it is. Okay, so what's this black shit? Okay, there already was a crack here. I just kinda made it a little bit worse. I think I can't fix. That is stuff. I'm glad this is coming out. Ugh. Beautiful. So if you're wondering how to actually remove these, at the back it's pretty simple. There's just a bunch of nuts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them. Remove the 5 nuts, put heat, pull this baby out. You got to put a little bit of force in it. I'm going to try now without heating it up. And it's virtually impossible. You got to heat it up. Yuck, that is pretty gross. Okay, good thing I'm doing this. I found a bunch of rust. A little bit of rust here, mostly where the bolt holes are, and then there's like strange little slices. If you can see that. Little rust spots, looks like little cuts. I mean, like, what cut it? I mean, this headlight, I'm pretty sure this headlight has never come off. Some rust over here. We know what to do with it. Brew rust, new bottle, let's go. And this stuff is flippin' magic, check this out. I mean, you've probably seen this like 30 times on the channel already. Tried cleaning this with a cloth and a bit of water. I'm worried that I'm going to put too much water and it goes inside the lenses. So I found a whole bunch of these mounting screws, and I'm assuming that this section here comes off. looks like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Oh god. Had a little bit of drama. Remember that crack that was up to about here? Well, the whole thing just snapped in pieces. There was actually a crack at the bottom too, and I didn't notice that. So I filled it up with some Q-Bond, filling in reinforcement grey. It's holding pretty strong. I just need to make up a section. I've got to build that piece up and then fill this. So I've got some proper filling putty, fill it, sand it, it'll be fine. I'm actually not even worried. Plus I've seen these in Japan. They're a little bit pricey now, obviously, with the whole JDM tax thing. Let's double check. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Alright, I'm gonna call it, at least call it for the camera, because it's just gonna be boring content watching me clean stuff. Alright, the good news is the car's in the garage, which means I can work nights now, because working outside with no cover when it's winter and you get a lot of dew and all that crap, you get sick. So thankfully the car's in now. Fantastic. And it's also a safety issue. Me working outside, I can't put the beams on and all that bullshit, so robbers could come, whatever. It's in. Content's coming. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next one. Peace.